Subaru Forester 2003 to 2008. To get the gauge cluster out, you need to unscrew two bolts at the top of the trim cover. Next, lower the steering wheel and carefully pull the plastic cover out. Since it's pretty bulky, watch out so you don't scratch up the dash. Once the cover is out, remove one bolt at the top and two at the bottom of the cluster. Then pull it forward and unplug the connectors.